if you have a dry or a very dry skin, you know how important a good moisturizer is. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 top moisturizers I trust for a dry skin type. I will tell you all you need to know about this product, what works, and how to achieve a soft skin, a glowing skin, and a smooth skin. So let's get started. First is CeraVe Hydrating Moisturizing Lotion for a dry to a very dry skin. This cream is richer cream formulated with ceramide and hyaluronic acid. It is designed to deeply hydrate and restore the skin protective barrier. So this cream gives you a deep, long-lasting hydration, keeps skin soft even 24 hours after application because ceramide helps to seal moisture in and protect skin from irritants. So this cream is non-greasy, giving it richness and suitable for face and body. So yes, you can use this CeraVe lotion on your face and on your body. So if your skin feels dry, tight and itchy, go for CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. It's one of the best cream you can use when you need zero repair. Secondly is the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It contains blend of 6 moisturizers and essential vitamin E and B5. This lotion helps to restore the skin natural protective barrier, leaving the skin feeling calmer. So it's formulated especially for dry and sensitive skin, and also people that are prone to irritation. That is, if your skin easily reacts to product, then go for Cetaphil. And also those who want daily skin hydration, this is the best moisturizer option for you. So Cetaphil lotion can be a great everyday moisturizing option for your skin, especially if you easily react to products. Next is the EOS Shea Butter 24 Hours Moisturizer. EOS meaning evolution of smooth. You see, this lotion is a very silky, lightweight body lotion that delivers 24 hours of moisture without greasy feeling. So it contains 7 nourishing oils and butters. On that, it absorbs fast. It has a vanilla fragrance which gives this lotion a very amazing scent, and it gives your skin soft, smooth and totally touchable. So for a rough, dry areas, use shea butter cream like this EOS 24 hours shea butter moisturizer because it gives you a deep nourishment which normal regular lotion can't. Next on our list is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. So guys, Nivea Soft is a lightweight all-purpose moisturizing cream for face, for body and for hands, known for its refreshing feel and quick absorption. It contains vitamin E and jojoba oil to leave skin soft, smooth and hydrated without greasiness, and is suitable for all skin type, including the normal to a dry skin person. This cream is a non-sticky and non-greasy formula that offers long-lasting moisture. So for those of you asking if you can use Nivea on your face, yes, this particular Nivea cream can be used on your face. So if you just want soft, smooth skin and not heavy creaminess, Nivea Soft is a lightweight friend, great for daily wear. So the last and the least among all the moisturizer I'm reviewing today, and this very one is very affordable, below 5k budget, is the Beauty Formula Moisturizer. So this is an affordable, fast absorbing cream designed to hydrate, brighten and also for an even skin tone. It contains blend of vitamin B, C and E. It has a non-greasy feel, help to boost radiance and support a healthy glow for face and body. So for that one affordable moisturizer you are looking for, maybe below 5k budget, depends on your location, this is the one I recommend you should go for. So guys, whether your skin is slightly dry or severely dry, these are the top moisturizer you can use. So for simple recap, use a light cream like Nivea Soft or Cetaphil if you want daily moisturizer. Use a rich cream like CeraVe when your skin needs serious hydration. Then go for EOS lotion for rough areas or very dry body, and also if you love good fragrances. So what matters more than brand is consistency, good application habits and protecting your skin barrier. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like so that YouTube will push this video more, and share it with a friend who struggled with dryness, and subscribe to my channel for more honest skincare advice from waist aesthetics. Stay glowing and hydrated. See you on my next video. Thank you all for watching and Thank you all for your time.